Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions for Dow Jones and Tech 100. And yesterday Dow Jones again went till 34,150, and we had expected that 34,150 might give a good resistance for Dow Jones for any upward movement. It did exactly that, and it did not pass by 34,150. Similarly for Tech 100, though 14,050 was the level which we were looking at, and it did go till today also. It has gone till 14,064 and very much trading within those levels. Now let's have a look what could happen today, whether it could pass by, these indices could pass by the resistance level or not. Let's have a look and let's try to understand. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. Please share it across with the maximum so that at least we can add, at least if you think that my videos are adding some meaning to your day trading decisions, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. And looking at the daily chart for Tech 100, before we come to the indicators, looking at the daily charts for Tech 100, it is still, the candle is still green and finding resistance again at these levels at 14,050 levels. Very much it is getting a good resistance at 14,050, 14,060 levels, creating a twin top. Maybe if it passes by 14,060 once again, we might see a good bullish move, and that will be again at par with this size of the candle body. However, what possibly could happen is, let's try to understand. See, we could see this candle and then this candle towards the weekend, that was the weekend, and then a drop subsequently. It got stable at 13,700, again try to, so what I am trying to show is again trying to pass by this. From here, if it passes by this 14,060 levels crucially, or rather you can take 14,065, which is the peak. 14,065 levels is, if it passes by, then yes, I will be very much bullish and I will be expecting equal size of candle. Maybe we could expect it to go beyond 14,000, then we could expect it to go past 14,140 levels. So that is the good level which we could expect if it passes by these levels. So first target will be 14,110, and then if it passes 14,110 also, we could expect it to head towards 14,140 and 14,180 levels subsequently, which could provide to be a good resistance level. After that, maybe we could be heading, the sky is the limit and we cannot say where it could go. But yes, I will be watchful of 14,065 levels once again, else I will be expecting the similar kind of formation which has happened here. We could expect the similar double top, and then subsequently we could expect a drop that could happen on Tech 100, that after this double top we might see a drop subsequently, and similar formation maybe. Let's once again try to have a look. So what I am looking forward to, I am looking forward to the symmetry which is happening here, and only if it passes by, else we might see a good drop subsequently in coming days. If it does not pass by 14,065 or 14,070 levels, if it does not pass by these levels, I will expect it to drop again, else I will be bullish and I will be expecting for it to continue the rise towards 14,140 and 14,180 levels. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts also. This is on a daily chart. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. So on a 4-hour chart also, so on a 4-hour chart, as I said, 14,070 I will be again watchful of. If it passes by 14,070, then I will be bullish and I will be expecting for it to cross towards 14,140 levels, else I will expect it to continue with this, else I will expect it to turn, this candle to turn red, and subsequently we might see a drop towards 14,000 and below levels possibly. If it does not pass by 14,070, I could expect, or we could expect that it will trade below 1400 first target and then 13940 as the second target. Possibly we could be heading towards that, and then a good support obviously is available at around 13900 levels. Now here also if you look at the pattern which we saw, so this is a drop, then rise, then drop. Similarly here also we have got this good drop, then again it is rising. That's what has happened on a 4-hour chart. We have seen this rising here. If so, I will be watchful of this candle. I will be watchful of 14070 levels, and any move above 14070 only we could expect a good bullish market ahead, and we could expect 14 all-time highs subsequently towards 14140 and 14180 levels. Now let's try to have a look at the indicators. Also let's try to have a look at the weekly charts, where the weekly charts are heading. Now looking at the weekly charts, last week was a red candle, now it is trying to act green. For it to turn red or turn bearish again, see this double top or triple top for 3 continuous week is what we could see here. Now if it goes and pass by 13900, rather I will say 13900 levels, then only I will be turning bearish for the week. Till the time we could expect that it might again show a similar length of candle, which could be taking it around 14140 180 levels possibly, and beyond also. So this is on a weekly. Now let's have a look at the indicators. So trading above all, where the good resistance and support at for Tech 100 is only below 13950. Above that the sky is the limit for Tech 100. But see, Arun has crossed over and it is still on sell side, and it's still sharply it has gone towards sell side right now. The slope of the green candle has dropped. The red line is moving up, and it is indicative of that it is entering into a sell zone. The MACD lines are in a sell zone already, but yes, they are trying to converge, and if this crosses over, then yes, it will be a different case altogether. The stochastic is showing bullish, and it is indicating that there is a big gap available between the buy and sell, and possibly it is in overbought territory. From here I will be watchful that where it could go. If today it passes by 14070, and maybe if it will try to reach again a new high at 1400 plus levels, that is 14140 we are targeting. If it passes by, then maybe from tomorrow onwards we will be in a different position, and we might expect a drop. So I will be still watchful for today, and let's see what happens and where it goes, where it takes today. So the Williamson is again in a bullish zone, overbought territory. So couple of indicators are indicating a sell. However, the stochastic is strongly bullish. But yes, I will be watchful of 14070 levels. Below 14070, I will be always targeting towards 14,000 and 13940 levels. And above 14070, I will be watchful of 14140 and 14180 levels subsequently. And till 14020 and 14070, please don't trade. I'll recommend not to trade between 14020 and 14070 levels. Please spare these 50 points as a no trade zone, and then below that 15020 14020 we could expect 3970 and 3940 levels as the first and second targets, and 3900 is again a target which could be achieved today itself possibly. And now let's have this is all for Tech 100. We have got the levels. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. So this is the daily chart for Dow Jones. It has seen a high which we had seen 34,150 levels. Again, as I said, I told you yesterday also, I will be only bullish if it goes past by 34,200. Till the time I can remain short, and that is what I had clearly told you yesterday, and that is where we had given the range between 34,200 to 33,820 levels. Now today again it is right now trying to trade in a range bound manner, where it has seen a high of 34,100 plus levels, 34,090 levels, and on the downside it has gone till 33,950 levels or something like that, and created a right now it is indecisive of where to move, whether it tries to go up or down. If I can see, there is a strong wick available, so we might see a down push today, and we might see 33,900 and 33,850 levels possibly. That could be a good target for me to make, and then we could again come back towards 33,900 50 70 levels and close the day with that. Else the closest range possible which I could see is 33,400 and 33,900. This is going to be the first trade or limited range which I could expect. Mostly I am on still bearish for Dow Jones. I had shared with many of you earlier that I am still bearish on Dow Jones for this week, and I will be expecting for it to head towards 33,850 levels, and below that 33,700 also could be expected, if not today, but maybe in coming days we will be expecting Dow Jones to head towards this, and maybe we could go below that also. So for the day I will be capping at around 34,100 to 33,850 levels. So let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On a 4-hour chart we could see that so on a 4-hour chart it is now sharply the highs are sharply lowering, and only if it crosses after any long is recommended only if it crosses 34,050 levels. Only if it crosses 34,050 levels, then only I will recommend it you to go long, and then we could expect 34,150 again. But yes, only if it crosses 34,050 levels. Else I will be expecting this candle to head towards 33,880 as my first target, where we could see, and then in the subsequent candles also we could head towards 33,850 levels and below. So that is why I had said 33,850 is possible, and I will now revise my range to 34,050 to 33,850. This is going to be my range for the day. You can take your positions accordingly. I am in a bearish mode for Dow Jones, and we will be heading towards 33,700 and below levels again, maybe in the near future. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will be heading again towards those levels. And for the day, till the time it is below 34,050, you can remain bearish. Above 34,050, you can expect it to head towards 34,130 levels. But yes, this is the range which I will be expecting for Dow Jones on a 4-hour chart or for a daily levels. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What does the indicators are indicating? So Dow Jones has got a good support as at 33,950, and then after that 33,840 levels and 850 levels are only going to give a good support to Dow Jones. That is what I had shared the range. And if you look at the RON, it is going to head towards a sell zone. See the steep decline in green line and the incline on red zone, so we might enter into a sell territory soon. And looking at MACD are divergent and indicating a drop. Stochastic is, if you see, stochastic is now trying to cross over and enter into a sell zone, and there is a good decline from here, and that is why I said that we could expect a drop in Dow Jones, and we will be heading towards 33,850 levels possibly. So this is all from my side for Dow Jones and Tech 100. Please, if you like my effort, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great day.